Hey everybody, all right. Welcome to my show, guys. Welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. All right, today I'm gonna make delicious recipe, all right? Look what I have on my table. Beautiful, wow, colorful and busy. All right, that's exactly what I like to see my table. All right, but don't be afraid, guys. All right, hey guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have in my table for this recipe. I have 12 ounces of bacon. I have 1 stick of butter. I have 2 tablespoons of parsley. I have half cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese to bring the flavor together, guys. All right. And also I have 5 pounds of potatoes. All right, the goat potatoes. If you guys can find the goat potatoes, you guys can use any flavor you guys like it. All right, this is for the mashed potato. I'm gonna make mashed potato plus shrimp. All right, so I have 1 tablespoon of salt. I have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, just don't use. All right. Also, I have 2 tablespoons of chives. I have 1 cup of half and half, 1 cup of milk. This is for my potato, crushed potato. All right. So now for my shrimp. For the shrimp, I have 1 pound of jumbo shrimp. All right. You guys can use. You guys doesn't have to use the jumbo shrimp. All right. You guys use whatever you want. But this time I'm using jumbo. All right, I have 6 cloves of garlic. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, just don't use. All right. So I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I have a half stick of butter, a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of oregano, and half teaspoon of Old Bay. All right, guys, you want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. But don't be afraid, guys. All right. Also, guys, if you need a good food, right, you need a very good recipe. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, and like it. All right, guys, I'm gonna start with my bacon. All right, very good. My fried pan is preheat. All right, and also my potatoes. I cooked my potato already. All right, my potatoes already cooked, and also I peel already, so I don't want my show get long. All right, so all right, let's cook this baby. All right, I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, my bacon is ready. All right, what I'm gonna need is some paper towel. Oops. 1 more. All right, very good. So let's. All right. Let's reserve them, okay? It looks very good. It's gonna be nice and crispy. All right, very good. All right, so now let's do the potato. All right, guys, let's do the potatoes. All right, okay. You're gonna need something like this, okay? All right, so let's get my potatoes. It's already cooked. I already told you guys, right? So let's smash them slowly like this. Very good. Bingo! All right, very good. Woo! All right. Woo! That's good. All right, let's mash them very well. All right, very good. That's it. Now I'm gonna put everything there. Very good. You make sure if you mash very well. All right. Very good. Very good. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna need my. This is my butter. All right. Very good. Butter. This is my salt. My garlic powder. That's where the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, guys. My black pepper. Very good. My parsley. My chives. This is my half and half. Very good. If you guys don't want to use half, just use milk. All right. This is my milk, so I mix both. Very good. All right. So this is my sour cream. This is my Parmesan cheese. All right. Very good. Very good. And that's it. So now let me mix very well. All right, just mix very well. All right, they're gonna be dry a little bit. All right, guys, my bacon. All right, so let's cut the bacon. I already started a little bit. All right, so very good. Let's cut small pieces. All right, very good. All right, so it's almost finished. All right, very good. All right, this is a very special mashed potato, right? Very good. So mix it up very well. All right, now we're gonna bring this. I'm gonna bring it to my stove. All right, I'm gonna put low medium. All right, let's cook a little bit. All right, and I'll see you guys very shortly. All right, guys, time to check. All right, now I'm gonna check my potatoes. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, my potatoes is cooking. All right. Wow, that looks beautiful. Look at that. Very good. All right, it's cooking. Low medium. All right, and my next step, I'm gonna use the same fried pan. All right, so I'm gonna get my garlic. All right, very good. All right, medium high. Very good. All right, let's cook these babies. All right, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, guys, my garlic, it's cooking. All right, it's cooking, and my next step is my shrimp. Very good. This is my shrimp. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, this is my my butter. Very good. Set up. Very good. This is my lemon. Very good. My olive oil. black pepper. Very good. My salt. My oregano. My Old Bay. Very good. And mix it up very well. Alright, so the flavors and the color comes together, guys. Alright. Very good. Very good. So now let me check my garlic to see if it's ready. Alright. It's almost ready. Alright. Let's cook this garlic for a little bit more, alright? And I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. My garlic is ready. Alright, my next step is my shrimp. Let's cook these shrimps, alright guys? Very good. Alright, let's take about 2 minutes to cook this, alright? Very good. It's gonna be good, it's gonna taste good. Alright guys, let's go. Very good, I'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, my shrimp is ready. You guys can take a look. Very good. So now I'm gonna need some more paper towel. All right. Very good. All right. It's looking good. Well, very good. It's looking nice and brown. All right. So put this here. All right. So I have some eggs here for the decoration. All right, guys. And I'll be right back. All right, guys. Time to check. All right. Very good. My shrimp is ready. My potatoes. It's almost ready. All right. Very good. Smells so good. Smells all over my kitchen. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Very good. Let's go, guys. All right. I'm gonna let this cook for 5 more minutes. All right. And I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. Hey guys, show you the final product. All right, here you go. All right, it looks beautiful, looks colorful. All right, very good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, very good. Hey guys, you have to try this recipe. All right, I'm sure you're gonna be happy today and forever. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you know exactly how this tastes. All right. Also, I did some, not for the show, but I cooked separate. Okay, I did some filet mignon. All right, on a barbecue. So let's see this, how this goes. Wow, that looks beautiful. Looks very good. Very good. Right, let me get some, excuse me, get some shrimp. Very good. All right. Very good, guys. I'm gonna let you know, all right? It's melting in my mouth, guys. This is a very special dish. All right, This is so delicious. Very good. Wow. This is, you have to try this, yeah? You have to try this. My shrimp. Let me try my filet mignon. Look at the color, how beautiful it looks. Alright? Very good. Another time I'm gonna make this filet mignon for you guys, you see, right? It's delicious too. This is delicious. Sorry guys, very good. Cheers.